I was given this DIY terrarium kit so I could give you guys a fair and honest review. Let's take a look.
I just did this with my little one and I can't tell you how much fun it was. It was so cute. They had all of the different sand, all of the different components. My little one built it herself. It's so much fun to have that craft that you can do with your little one and let them go for it. This is plastic, so even if they dropped it, it's gonna be okay. You could take this off and you could kind of reconfigure if anything shifted, but my little one just had the best time being able to build this on her own. And it was really nice to have some non-screen time, have some hands-on craft time.
We had so much fun taking out each and every piece with the little fence and the trees and the bush. They had different kinds of unicorns and things that you can include inside of your terrarium, adorable little mushrooms, as well as all of the basic components you're going to need, like the different kinds of beads and moss, 3 different color sands that you can layer at the bottom as your base. And I love that the jar was plastic. It has the little light, which was a little tricky to figure out. It does come with a remote with so many different color options. I absolutely loved all the accessories that they included in here. It just made it extra fun to be able to do with my little one because she was so excited to be able to include each and every piece inside of the kit. Actually, we ended up leaving some out because there were so many accessories, so we used some of them as little toys. But I absolutely loved doing this with my little one. She's just 3 and was able to do it on her own with some supervision. I absolutely recommend this.